ये तावड़े ये सिलगांव करे तलपड़े ये तरदल करे कदम है पाटिल है कम ऑन यार। Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another vlog. My name is Kshitij and it's a Monday. Welcome to the vlog channel. This is my channel. If you do not know who I am, I run a company called Ironman Lifestyle where I'm a dating coach, I'm a personal development coach and I help guys be more confident and live their dream lifestyle. On this channel, I showcase my life being an entrepreneur as someone who's into spirituality, who meditates every day. Well, last month nahi kiya because I was busy in the vlogs, but now I've started this year. I've been meditating and things are looking pretty fucking great. So someone who's going after the good things in life, who's going after the money, the moolah, the cars, the personal development, the fun that comes along with all of these things, while at the same time being grounded and just being a high vibration person and just meditating every day, so that मैं किसी का बुरा नहीं कर रहा हूँ. If you don't know some more things about myself, I'm a vegetarian. Okay, purely vegetarian. नहीं मैं अंडा खा लेता हूँ. I don't consume things like leather at all. It's a bit of a difficulty for me जब भी मैं जूते खरीदने जाता हूँ, क्योंकि usually any shoe or any sneaker that I like जो 10,000 के ऊपर होता है is made up of leather, तो बड़ा मुश्किल होता है. And I cannot wear those loafers, वो बड़ी मुश्किल से ढूंढने पड़ते हैं जो Zara में होते हैं, वो leather वाले होते हैं. So I cannot wear the ones available at Zara, तो मुझे कहीं और से बड़ी मुश्किल से वो ढूंढ के मिलते हैं. Same with belts, बड़ा मुश्किल होता है करने का. Wallet, let me show you my wallet. My wallet. Check it out. This seems like a leather wallet. This seems like an ordinary leather wallet, but it's not. It's a wallet made up of cork, not the cork, but cork. वो जो शैंपेन होती है, शैंपेन के ऊपर वो होता है ना, वो ढक्कन बोलने का, उसको क्या होता है, वो उसको कॉर्क बोलते हैं. तो कॉर्क होता है यार. एक तो मरा ये मुंबई एक्सेंट फंस गया यार. ऑन द अभी जो बूट कैंप खत्म किया था उस पे देयर वाज दिस गाय एंड वो मुंबई एकदम ही इज लाइक द पर्सोनिफिकेशन ऑफ संजय दत्त इन वासुदेव. लगे ये 50 तोला है भाई, है अपन को करने का रे माफिक टपोरी माफिक एकदम 50 तोला कितना 50 तोला. और भाई मैंने उसके साथ थोड़े बहुत ओपन करे, उससे बातें भी ऐसे कर रहा था. वी जस्ट हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ फन. अब मैं फंस गया एक्सेंट किसी तरह. ये निकालना पड़ेगा. एक तो पिछली बार जब मैं मुंबई से आया था ना, तो मैं भर भर के ये तावड़े ये सिलगांव करे तलपड़े ये तरदल करे कदम है पाटिल है कम ऑन यार, एक कर करके पूरा मुंबई का ट्रिप गया था. So guys, if you're not subscribed yet, before I begin today's video, just make sure you quickly hit the subscribe button, you spank it, smash it, demolish it, and make sure just hit the bell icon next to it so that you're notified every single day when I'm posting videos, and you can just take all of this energy in. Just take it. सुबह एक video a day keeps the doctor away. Not really, but एक video a day might just keep the depression away, might just inspire you, might just push you to good heights, might just lift your mood if you're feeling low and कोई problem हो रही है तो तुम देखोगे कि यार there are some people जो you know not being cocky, but there are some people who kind of look up to me. थोड़ा बहुत तो हो रहा है. 4-5 हजार सब्सक्राइबर अगर Ironman Lifestyle पे, तो थोड़ा बहुत तो लोग देख रहे हैं. So if you're one of those people and you're kind of looking up to me and तुम देख रहे हो कि सुबह अच्छा यार मैं तो बड़ा डिप्रेशन में, तो बड़ा परेशान हूँ, and then you open up your notification and you check out on YouTube like oh video Kshitij की, oh इसकी तो amazing सी लाइफ होगी, and then you see most of the days it is fucking amazing, but then maybe one day it's not. जैसे आज का दिन नहीं, आज का दिन amazing है, मतलब a particular video जैसे कि उस दिन कभी amazing नहीं है, तो ठीक है यार, he's more like us. It's not something कि यार ये कोई god man है and I don't want to be someone who's like a god man. I don't want to have a cult following. मेरे को कुछ नहीं चाहिए, इंपॉर्टेंस ही नहीं चाहिए मेरे को, मतलब मे बी थोड़े नार्सिसिस्टिक तो चाहिए मेरे को, बट आई डोंट फील लाइक कि मैं आई एम गॉड और मैंने जो बोल दिया दैट इज द वर्ड ऑफ गॉड. आई एम अ गॉड यू dull creature. I always say whatever you're listening to, whatever you're hearing, whatever shit you're consuming, go out there and test it, because I might just be wrong. It might have worked for me, but it might not work for you. So anything you're consuming, just be aware, like have a filter, have a bullshit filter कि बैंची चूते बकवास तो नहीं कर रहा. And I always say go out there, field test it, see it in real time if it's working or not. That being said, the previous week was fucking amazing. Here are some of the achievements that I got done in the previous week. Time for it. Let's go. So as you guys know, I was trying to fill up my boot camp, right? And usually my boot camp get filled up, but ये जो New Year का scene था ना, इसमें I had around 10 people signed up already, but उनकी dates ही नहीं match हो रहे थे. And I was like, fucking hell, revenue, I gotta pay the bills. I've hired 2 more people. How the fuck am I gonna get that done? I knew वो हो जाएगा, and I had some savings also left, so वो होने वाला था. But then it was still like, if I'm hiring more people, the revenue should go up rather than going down. How the fuck am I gonna do that? And then just somehow I did calls, I hustled, and I filled up the boot camp. So there was still one slot left, जो literally एक दिन पहले full हुआ था. Like I just hit this guy who wanted to take a boot camp. Like bro, you're up. He's like, yeah bro, definitely I'm up. Yo, is that even a question? I'm up. So then वो बंदा आया. Actually उसका भी अलग सीन है यार, बाद में बताएंगे. It's irrelevant. Basically the boot camp got filled up. Fuck it. Full boot camp 3 लोगों का किया था, sorted. और the funny part was, ये वाला boot camp का ये था कि एक slot खाली रहेगा और 3 बंदे वेटिंग लिस्ट में पहले से हैं. 3 बंदे ऑलरेडी एक boot camp कर रहे हैं और मुंबई के लोग भी ऑलरेडी साइंड अप है, और ये वाला नहीं फिल हो रहा. Fucking days, dude, anything can happen, but then you can, you know, हो जाती हैं चीजें. ठीक है, नहीं भी हुआ था तो fuck it यार. You live to die another day. नहीं, you don't die right now to live another day. Something like that. What the fucking quote is यार, याद कर लो. ठीक है. Secondly, I uploaded daily vlogs here. कभी कभी थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है कि यार क्या कंटेंट करें, कैसे करें, कुछ आ नहीं रहा है, इतनी तो बातें कर ली और काम इतना पड़ा हुआ है, vlog भी अपलोड करनी है, but I did. I managed, right? I managed. वो Gary Vee वाली बात, perfection is bullshit. It's just a fucking excuse. And then I uploaded, and then you guys loved each and every fucking vlog, right? So I uploaded 7 vlogs. I uploaded a video to Ironman Lifestyle. and that was amazing. काफी सही वीडियो था, उससे मेरे को बहुत सही चीज सीखने को मिली जो I will come to in the next section when we talk about the top 3 learnings of this week. And then finally I took out some time for my friends and family. जैसे New Year's Eve था, तो हाँ New Year's Eve वाली पार्टी थी ना यार मंडे को, तो right? New Year's Eve was fucking amazing, guys. If you haven't seen what happened, just check out the vlog. Go back, check out the vlog. I'll add a card right here. इधर नहीं, sorry, इस साइड. हमेशा ना मैं गलत कर देता हूँ. So yeah, I'll add a card here, thumbnail, ऊपर card आएगा. Click in the video and you're just gonna be amazed. It's such fucking energy and so much of fun I had that night and I want to share it with you guys. And then उसके बाद Zero देखने गए, वो scene हुआ था दानिश के साथ. I spent some time with them, friends. And then this friend of mine after 3 years वो India आया हुआ था. Gaurav, you guys must have seen him in the other vlog as well. So friends and family के लिए I made time here. And then coming to the part of the top 3 learnings of this week and how you can benefit from them as well so that you do not waste your time is 7 years of personal development के बाद जाके तुम्हें समझ में आए. अभी सीख लो यार. Number 1, I had my personal counseling session, consciousness session, whatever you call it, and I came to the conclusion that family comes first. No matter how close you're to friends, you gotta heal your relationship with your family. Do not burden your friends with the stuff that your mom and dad were supposed to be burdened with. Basically, you don't need to burden with them, but properly, codependency हटा के you can have a proper healing relationship with them. And उसको depths में मैं अभी नहीं जाऊंगा because उसका भी vlog कर रखा है मैंने पहले. I think managing friends, family, and relationships is the name of the vlog. Check that one out if you haven't checked it out for more deeper information here. Secondly, on the bootcamp that just got over yesterday night, सुबह 6 बजे तक मैं bootcamp कर रहा था and it was just amazing. It was the first bootcamp of the year and I was 100% fully present in the bootcamp. Usually I kind of have a love-hate relationship with the bootcamp. It's quite tiring because you're walking 10 to 12 kilometers every day and काफी effort you're putting in 12 to 14 hours every day. It's just difficult at times just going through it. But then mostly I love it. But then कभी कभार the state of mind, how human beings are fucked up people. कभी कभार हो जाता है. So but yesterday's bootcamp I was 100% fully fucking present. I killed it. I delivered so much. जो कल का debrief था Sunday वाला, it was a 7-hour debrief. We started at 11 PM. We spoke about inner child healing and I'm so happy I did that because a couple of the students, mainly 2 students out of the 3, they had real deep issues and they needed to be sorted and needed to be brought into life. और जो अपना वो भाई लोग है, अपना टपोरी लोग संजू बाबा, उसका तो एकदम ही जरूरी था क्योंकि उसका कुछ भी कर लो, उसको नया कपड़ा दिला दो लेकिन नहीं कर ही नहीं सकता, एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि अपन संजू बाबा है, अपन तो टपोरी माफी की रहेगा, अपन ढंग का बंदा बनेगा ही नहीं. और अपने को लड़कियां तो एकदम ढंग की मांगता, चीजें लाइफ में भी ढंग की मांगता, लेकिन वो बन ही नहीं सकते क्योंकि अंदर आइडेंटिटी इतनी स्ट्रांग है ना. सो दैट नीडेड टू बी हल्का सा ब्रोकन. Not broken is a very violent word. Just like been aware of what is going on inside and then choose कि वो चाहिए या नहीं चाहिए. So that happened and I think it was an amazing breakthrough. I had an amazing time with these 3 people and it was just amazing meeting people and I'm very grateful for that and happy that I did introduce them to inner child healing and did a couple of processes with them so that up going forward from here they can take something substantial साथ में along with something that is game जो उनकी life better करेगा but वो deep down level तक deep down fulfillment उसमें भी help करेगा. And मैं सब लोगों को बोल ही रहा हूँ कि meditation start करो तो we're gonna have a high vibration vibe in the country hopefully. कृष्णा ने तो गीता में बोला था कभी चीजें चेंज नहीं होती हैं but we being there हम कुछ तो कोशिश तो कर ही सकते हैं ना, बस कोशिश ही कर सकते हैं, आउटकम तो हमारे कंट्रोल में है ही नहीं. Coming to number 3 learning of the week, वो जो मैंने वीडियो का बताया था, I learned something from the video I uploaded to Iron Man Lifestyle. You should definitely check it out. Thumbnail and card right goes right here. पहले ना उस वीडियो का टाइटल मैं रखने वाला था The Power of Risk Taking and Decision Making. तो टाइटल में वो रखने वाला था and anytime I'm uploading a video I write down a couple of titles and headlines and then see which one is very intriguing. So I've known about clickbait but I choose to not use it because it feels a bit manipulative. It feels like it's low quality content but then my content is never low quality. You guys know it, man. Come on, you guys can trust your boy even if I'm using a bit of clickbait. So I thought why not try and use a bit of clickbait. तो जैसे you guys just saw the thumbnail, थोड़ा सा बड़ा सा डाल दे. Actually मेरे मुंह पे डाल दे, मेरे इतना बड़ा सा thumbnail. So that was the thumbnail and I ended up using the title How I Almost Missed Out on Pulling a Stunner from the Club instead of The Power of Risk Taking and Decision Making. So the title was How I Almost Missed Out on Pulling a Stunner from the Club by using the power of risk taking and decision making. The main crux of the video is the power of risk taking and decision making. But having a clickbaity title like that compels you to click on it कि क्या है क्या नहीं है. Plus the thumbnail जहाँ पे हमने 2 लड़कियां Google Images से लेके डाल दी हैं और वो काफी सामने हैं. So that did get a lot of clicks and that shows in the results सामने की सामने here right now. I'll screenshot it and I'll add the screenshot right here. जो पिछली वीडियो है उसके अभी भी 1000 व्यूज नहीं हुए हैं. इस वीडियो के एक दिन में 1000 व्यूज हो गए थे. Usually I'll tell you how my videos work. In a day I get 500 views for my videos on Iron Man Lifestyle. That's done. And then in a week I get 1000 views. इसमें अगर मेरे को एक दिन में 1000 व्यूज आ रहे हैं that's 100% growth. 100% डबल हुआ है, डबल द शिट. और दूसरी वीडियो अभी भी वो 1000 पे नहीं पहुंची है क्योंकि उसमें मैंने क्लिकबेट नहीं यूज किया, उसमें मैंने टाइटल नहीं यूज किया and the content of both the videos is amazing, phenomenal. If you're someone who's into game, if you're someone who wants to build that habit of going out and approaching people and sorting this area of your life, I know how important both the videos are to you. But then people only click on the little shiny object. लड़कियां, oh my god, click, how I almost missed out on pulling a stunner. Oh my god, click. और जो दूसरी वीडियो, top mindsets on how to break free from rejection so that you never have a bad night out or whatever the fuck the name of the video was. Like, top mindsets नहीं, but technically दोनों ही वीडियो में amazing content है. But जब तक I do not get the person to click on the video, how is he going to take it in? अगर बंदा दुकान पे ही नहीं आएगा तो सामान कैसे खरीदेगा? बेशक तुम्हारा प्रोडक्ट कितना भी अच्छा हो. तो बात ये है कि दुकान पे लाने के लिए क्लिकबेट वगैरह जैसी चीजों का यूज होना चाहिए. एंड यू गाइस शुड ट्रस्ट मी कि कंटेंट जो है दैट इज गोना बी फकिंग लेजिट एवरी टाइम, ऑल द टाइम. एंड दैट्स व्हाट माय कमिटमेंट इज हियर फॉर यू गाइस. एंड विद दैट बीइंग सेड गाइस, आई होप यू गाइस गॉट समथिंग आउट ऑफ द वीडियो. You guys learned something. You guys learned something from my new learnings here. And then you can skip your trial and error ka process and then just take directly from the horse's mouth and put it in your life and then live an enriching fucking life. That being said, that's going to be the video for today. That's going to be the vlog. As always, I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. If you're not subscribed yet, guys, come on. Just hit the subscribe button, spank it, smash it, demolish it. And I'll see you tomorrow. Peace. गजबी करिश्मा है यार मेरा कैमरे के सामने. गजबी करिश्मा और एनर्जी. मजा आ गया.